是什么呢？Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to talk about our hobby in daily life. So now let's start it. Firstly, I will introduce the sentence structures and words of hobby by PowerPoint. And then me and my friends will show you how to use it in daily life. The second part will be really interesting. Firstly, let us get how could we say hobby in Mandarin Chinese. We call it àihào. àihào. You see here, A-I-H-A-O, àihào. This is the Chinese pronunciation. If you are absolutely beginner, please go for the link here. On the top of the screen, I will put a video link. This video gonna tell you how could you read the Chinese pronunciation. So now let us start it. I and how put together means hobby, but why? You see here, this character, I, the meaning is love. This one, how, is good. So something you love to do it and you also think that is good. So put together means àihào means hobby. So now I will teach you some sentence structure and I will make it as a conversation so you can see when you talk with hobby with others, how could you ask and how could you reply. Okay, let's see here. The first sentence is to ask others about their hobby. Let us read it first. 你的爱好是什么? Okay, let's see what's the meaning of it. The first one, 你的爱好. 你的爱好 means your hobby. Did you remember 爱好? We just learned it, right? Hobby, 你的 means your, 你 means you. Did you remember? At the beginning, we learned 你好, you good. So 你 is you. Here, 是 is. 什么 is a question word, means what. So like the Mandarin sentence structure is different with English. If you translate directly, that means your hobby is what, but the meaning is what is your hobby, right? Just different sentence structure. So when you ask others, what is your hobby? You just say 你的爱好是什么? When you want to reply them, let's see, how could we reply? We will say 我的爱好是读书. 我的爱好 means my hobby. You see 爱好 hobby here. So 你的 your, when you answer them, you will say mine. So mine is 我的爱好 my hobby. 是 means is. 读书 is reading, just an example. So you can say 我的爱好是读书 my hobby is reading. But if you want to change like any other answers, like say I like to play video game or I like to go traveling, you just need to get rid of 读书, change to the words that you want to say. And then you can ask them, 你呢? What's the meaning of 你呢 here? 你呢? This one is a really useful word. That means and you. So no matter what the person A asked you before, once you ask them 你呢, that will means you ask them back for the same topic, right? So 你呢 and you here is kind of, oh, what's your hobby? What is your hobby, right? So you can say, oh, 我的爱好是旅游. Here, follow me to read it. This one a little bit difficult to pronounce. 旅游 means traveling. So you can say here, 我的爱好 here is also still 我的爱好, same thing, talk about my hobby is here, 旅游 traveling. I just changed the 读书 to traveling, right? So my hobby is traveling. 我的爱好是旅游. And after you ask them, they reply you. If you agree with them, I also like it. And also that is the thing people will talk in the daily life. You just want to a little bit like a compliment, say, oh yeah, that's good. I also like it. So you can reply them, 我也很喜欢 我 means I, 也 means as well, also. 很喜欢 means like it, so put together means I like it as well. So 也 is a adverb in Mandarin. 也 always we will put it after subject, after 我. Okay, so now I'd like us to go through the whole conversation again. First one, person A say, 你的爱好是什么? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? 你的爱好是什么? Person B reply, 我的爱好是读书. My hobby is reading. 你呢? And you, right? How about you? And person A say, 我的爱好是旅游. My hobby is traveling. So if person B also like it, person B can say, 我也很喜欢. I like it as well. Like this one, 我也很喜欢. I like it as well. It's not only can use to talk about the hobby. In general, in our conversation, the way how you use I like it as well in English, same with how you use it in Mandarin. If somebody say, I like to eat apple, you can, me too, you can say 我也很喜欢, right? And also here, 你呢 is also not only in this sentence or this specific topic. You can use it everywhere. People say, how are you? You say, I'm fine. And you? That and you also can use 你呢. Okay, so now I will read it last time, okay? Person A say, 你的爱好是什么? 我的爱好是读书。你呢 ？And you？ 我的爱好是旅游。我也很喜欢。Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, so now we just learned one word, right? For the hobby is 读书. Another one is as example is 旅游. So now I will give you guys more vocabularies. Is all about the hobby. So you can pick up the one is for you when you talk with others. So now we see. First one, 运动. 运动 means exercise. 画画 drawing. 唱歌 singing. 跳舞 dance or dancing. 拍照 photography. 看电影 watch movie. So if your hobby is dancing, so when others they say, 哦，你的爱好是什么? You can say, 我的爱好是跳舞, right? Just get rid of 读书, change it to 跳舞. Okay, that is all about it. So if you have any questions for this part, just leave a comment. We will explain to you.
你好，
你好 Daisy。
你的爱好是什么？
我的爱好是阅读。
阅读。你喜欢读什么书？
我喜欢读历史书和小说。
你每天都读书吗？
是的，我每天都读书。Daisy， 你呢？你平时会做什么？
我平时喜欢做运动。
你每天都做运动吗
？I hope so。但是我最近有了一个新的爱好。
是什么呢？
我最近喜欢打高尔夫。
打高尔夫开心吗？
超级开心，因为我喜欢不一样的高尔夫球服。
所以你是为了穿衣服才喜欢打高尔夫？
是的，我是因为拍照片和穿衣服，所以我才喜欢高尔夫的。
所以你喜欢的是拍照，而不是高尔夫，对吗？
Yes， 是的，我最大的爱好是拍照。
哦，那你一定有很多美丽的照片。
是的 ，and also thank you give me the opportunity to show off my pictures.
哇 ，Bravo！
Alright, that is all about today. I hope you enjoyed to watch my video. If you like my video, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. 再见。